She looks like a chudel right now. And she even laughs like one. So guys, today is last day in Antalya and we have come to the lower Duden Waterfall. So as you can see behind me, this is the same water that we saw yesterday in the upper Duden Waterfall. And this river flows out and meets the Mediterranean Sea, and I think it is a kind of a cliff from where the water falls, and that's why it's called the waterfall. So that was the upper Duden waterfall and this is the lower Duden waterfall. So we have come fully prepared for a beach day. So after visiting this, I have read online that the Lara beach is just 10 minutes away from here. So yes, that's the plan for today. Chill out and enjoy Antalya. We have a Dadaji over here who's fishing. And we are just above the waterfall right now. Wow. This is magnificent. Guys, check these fruits out. They look absolutely fresh. So we have taken an assortment of fruits from this local shop. So we have ordered a penne arrabbiata and a chicken shawarma wrap. And guys, this is the Lazlo beach. It looks absolutely clean. So guys, a funny thing happened today. We both wanted to go to the Lara beach and we did a cab for the same. And the taxi driver asked us which beach do you want to go, and we said the good beach. And he got us to this beach known as Lazlo Garden, also known as the Rose Beach. So I think he had a commission. So when we came here, the guy told us that it is about 300 lira, equivalent to 1500 Indian rupee for a bed, and we had either we had to pay 75 per head for just accessing the restaurant and ordering food, or else we could take the bed for 300 lira. So we went ahead and got a bed. I would say it was a good experience. The beach was clean. We could leave our belongings safely on the bed, and it was quite a good experience. We ordered penne arrabbiata and we ordered chicken wrap. That was quite good. So anyone coming to Antalya, they can surely check out this beach. I think that the 300 liras were not a waste. They were kind of fine because it was just in the front row, and we could go to the beach, come back, get some sun, go back to the beach again. And here is Aishwarya. She's trying to clean up her makeup right now. She says she looks like a chudel right now. And she even laughs like one. So this is the beach. Rose Beach, Lazlo Beach. They have a huge parking space. And we are going to catch this bus. It is GM24. We have decided to go to the Antalya mall right now. We had a very good shish kebabs over there yesterday. It's cool. Let's try to figure out where it goes. Okay guys, so we were heading towards the mall. That's when we got off the bus station and we saw a salon. So Aishwarya told me like, you're looking like a bhalu. You should go and get a haircut and a beard cut. So guys, this is how I look after a Turkish cut. This is how I looked before, and this is how I look right now. So do let me know in the comments below, was the haircut worth it or not. So guys, we are flying to Istanbul right now, and we are here at the Antalya airport. So we are going to their CIP lounge to get some food. So we were a bit short on time, so we have grabbed one piece of each, and the lounge is absolutely empty. So do let me know if you want to know how to access such kinds of lounges for free. So guys, this is our last day in Istanbul today, last day in Turkey today, and we had a couple of places left to cover. So as you can see, we are having a butta, and we just came to Istanbul at about 12 p.m. today from Antalya. So right now we are just outside Dolambache. It's a palace. So we are just heading towards Dolambache right now to check that out. And after this, we have to do a lot of shopping from Grand Bazaar. So Dolambache looks really pretty from the outside, but the lines are absolutely crazy today. Check this line out. So guys, we have entered the Dolambache Palace, and the ticket was about 600 lira for both of us. That's quite expensive. Don't you think so? 600 lira. That's 3,000 bucks. 3,000 Indian rupee.
Cash itte kari jave.
Imagine being a sultan or a king or a ruler and welcoming guests from this gate. So guys, a funny thing happened today. We both wanted to go. We both wanted to go.